Hello and thanks for watching this Cloud9 ERP Solutions video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. In this series of videos of Acumatica 2025 R2, we're going to show you how you can now email multiple documents to a customer at once. So in the past, you'd have to send individual emails if there was, more than one invoice. But now, throughout the software in multiple different screens, you can now combine them into one email. So if we select a couple of these invoices, right? We're in the print email AR documents and we've selected the email invoice action. You now have these checkboxes here. So if I click on send documents in one email, this is enabled where I can combine them into one file. So if we process this and we go to all emails, you can see we now have an email that was created that will eventually go out. My email server is not connected, but you can see I have one file attached. And here it is. You can see, I'll move this over, that we now have invoices in multiple pages in the same file. So it took a PDF and it combined it into one. Now, additionally, if I go back, I can also select the option of just send the documents in one email and have it put it into separate files. That might be a better option for you and your customers. So if we select a few, click process, and we go to all emails and refresh, we have a new email generated. But now what we see in the upper right-hand corner is 3 files. So Acumatica created 3 different files, and they're formatted to include the invoice number with the file name, which is great. And all of these 3 files, the customer can read in their inbox and open them up separately for processing for payment. Now, this is just the print AR documents screen, but additionally, you'll find it under print email orders. And if I open up the release notes, you have AR documents. We talked about process invoices and memos. So that's the sales order screen for processing invoices and memos. You'll see it there. You can find it under sales quotes. So in the CRM section of Acumatica, print email sales quotes, project quotes, print email project quotes in the project management area. And as I mentioned, sales orders and quotes in the sales order section. So this is very useful. This has been a long sought after feature by many customers. And hopefully you found this video useful. It's a great new feature. Click the like button while you're at it. If you have any other questions about this or anything else Acumatica, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again and have a great day.